Hello everyone. Before we talk about our next snow, I do want to start with the good news, which is above normal temperatures and not much wind. Unlike yesterday, today, winds no more than 10 miles per hour, so no wind chill factor to worry about. And though temperatures aren't going to be way above normal high temperatures for this time of year are in the low 30s, and instead we're going to be reaching the mid to upper 30s. Now, a little bit of sun this morning, but I do have to say, not a very pretty day. Mostly cloudy skies will become just plain old cloudy this afternoon, but no precipitation coming down, no rain or snow. In fact, I think the evening hours tonight are still going to be dry. I don't see the first few flurries starting to fly until about midnight tonight. But after midnight, the activity is going to be filling in. And for the morning commute tomorrow, we're talking about scattered snow showers, with more probably to the south and east and less to the north and west. So more gaps in the snow shower activity the farther north and west you are, and less to the south and east. And really, it looks like the Quad City is really the transition zone from a lot more snow to the south and east, and not very much snow to the north and west. So looking like a pretty good bet as it stands right now that for the morning commute tomorrow, we're going to be dealing with some light to moderate snow. But fortunately, it looks like that in the Quad Cities themselves, probably avoiding the heavy snow that will be occurring to the south and east. And I do think the peak of the activity tomorrow is going to be during the morning hours, beginning around the morning commute, 7 a.m. or so, and then continuing into the late morning. Notice, even at 10 a.m., more to the south and east, less to the north and west, with the Quad Cities really being in that transition. Now, by the time we get into the afternoon, this is now 1 o'clock, and it's not as much showing up. Now we're just talking about isolated snow showers. And I tell you what, probably by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, I think we're looking at a situation where it's just going to be some flurries in spots. Now, I do think sometimes the model doesn't do a very good job of picking up on the flurries. I do want to leave in the chance for seeing some light flurries through the early evening hours. So from about 3 o'clock till 9 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, looking at spotty flurries across the area, but not much more accumulation. I think the bulk of the accumulation will be over with by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And again, most of it's going to be occurring during the morning hours tomorrow. And notice, not as warm tomorrow for multiple reasons. One, temperature is just cooler. We're only talking about highs tomorrow in the low 30s, and the wind coming back. It's going to be breezy tomorrow afternoon, gusts 20, 25 miles per hour, so the wind chill factor coming back as well. All right, now let's take a look at our snowfall totals. And here's what I'm talking about. More to the south and east, less to the north and west. So really looking like a situation where places like Tipton, Muscatine, probably going to see less than an inch. We're talking about a dusting to an inch. The most likely snow total for the Quad Cities, probably around 1.5 inches. I'll keep a range in there of 1 to 2 inches, but then look how things really start to go up. So for Viola, Geneseo, we're looking at 2 to 3 inches. And if you're in Kewaunee, there we're looking at up to 4 to 5 inches of snow.